Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a manual water purifier. Let's check this out. Let's see what it is. Comes in a case. And here's all the instructions for it here. But this product is used for outdoor operations, hiking, emergency rescue, disaster prevention, camping, daily water in remote areas without safe things. So it's good to bring if you're going on a camping trip or something like that where you just don't have where you might get stuck with hot water. So this is the device here. This here is a wrench to open it up. This is the apparatus. It's got that very hard plastic, but okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Here are our filters and our hoses. So I'm gonna guess the way it's gonna work is we're gonna pump it, and as we pump it, it will suck in the water from here and spit it out up here. So it's just down here. It's got a little stand for itself. It's got a little pre-filter, I guess you can do that. So the way it will work is in this tubing, which is zip tied. We have this long pipe here. So the pipe will be connected on the end here. So this will be our suck in place. It'll go down in the creek bed. This here will go then into here. And then as we pump, it's sucking it through from the creek bed up through here into this filter here, which will be up and then out this one. Same thing here, it'll probably go up and through there and then spits out water at the end. How cool is that? And then if we ever need to get into our filters, we have this stuff here. So we have a couple of clamps, so we can clamp it on and tighten it up. So if we're gonna be feeling like it's falling off or something, it's got some flow. And we have this here, which will help us remove some of these filters here if we need to. So pretty much everything we need. And then I think we can probably take these clips off to adjust, move things around if we needed to, have them in different locations or different ways. So we've got all sorts of different options with this here, but this is a manual water filtration. You can see this one here says it's the PP filter element. So, and then this one here is the ultrafiltration membrane. And then this one here is just kind of the pre-filter, I guess, a little charcoal filter to get it going. So how cool. So if you're going in needing an emergency filter system, this is definitely good to have. So totally cool if you think, and if you have like your city water or something like that goes bad sometimes and you just don't have bottled water, this is a nice option as well. So very cool. Thumbs up, I like it.